You can put that on MySpace?
I don't have MySpace, it's gay.
I wasn't going to try this one.
Hey dude, the fucking collection rock.
This is the only one I didn't know we used to go use it before, but it's all messed up now.
We're probably going to have to fill in those holes in. It's a good thing I didn't go down, man.
Yeah,
I would have been in deep shit.
Would have kicked Bernie's ass. This is a Hookup Sports Fishing exclusive. How to get yourself out of a tight space. Nice job, guys.